Bueno, in this lesson we're going to be looking at a specific set of irregular preterite tense verbs. These verbs are called the U-stem verbs, and we've already looked at one of these when we looked at the preterite tense conjugation of estar. More verbs included in this type of list, the U-stem preterite list. In English, we would be looking at to walk, to be able, to put, to place, to know, and to have. In Spanish, to walk, andar, to be, in this case, estar, to be able, poder, to put or to place, poner, saber for to know, and tener for to have. Our U stems, the irregular stem that happens in the preterite tense for these verbs, andar becomes anduv, estar estuv, poder pud, poner pus, saber sup, and tener tuv. You might want to write these down in your notes or copy off this page to include in your notebook. As we saw with estar, not only are these verbs irregular due to their U stem change, but also for the fact that some of their conjugation endings follow the AR preterite pattern, while others follow the ER or IR endings. So let's take a look at all of just the endings in this case. For yo, for tú, iste, for usted, él, and ella, o, for nosotros and nosotras, imos, and for ustedes, ellos, and ellas, ieron. As you saw in the prior list, we have both AR and ER verbs that make up our preterite U stem verb list. These are the endings that will go for all of those verbs. So let's do a little practice. I walked. We're going to start with the infinitive andar, our U stem anduv, our conjugation of and our full translated sentence, yo anduve. You were, estar, becomes estuv, add the ending of iste. Sorry, there's a typo on that one. We want tú estuviste. He succeeded. Poder changes to pud with an O for our conjugation. Oh, another typo. El pudo. We placed. Poner comes pus. Imos ending for nosotros pusimos, or simply the implied subject and the conjugated verb pusimos. Saber is what we would use for found out in this context. So we change saber to sup. Ieron is our ending. Ellos supieron. And lastly, you had. So tener becomes tuv with an iste ending to become tú tuviste. So if you're looking at number 2 and number 3 again, remember I had 2 typos on that. We want él pudo and tú estuviste. Now you try and see if we can skip the typos. We did walk to the theater. Nosotros anduvimos al cine. Bob had 2 pens yesterday. Bob tuvo 2 plumas ayer. Last night I was in Spain. Anoche yo estuve en España. My cousins succeeded. Mis primos pudieron. I found out last week. Yo supe la semana pasada. And you place the books here. Tú pusiste los libros allí. Did you notice or did you remember that in these particular conjugations, we don't include the accent marks as we do in other times when we are conjugating in the preterite tense? Muy bien, well done.